the war in Ukraine, and a new threat overnight from Vladimir Putin. The Russian leader saying if the West continues giving long-range rocket systems to Ukraine, his country will hit targets that have not yet been struck. ABC's Britt Clennett is live in Kyiv with the latest. Britt, good morning to you.
Good morning, Janae. That's right. Several attacks here in Kyiv early this morning, some of them hitting this very district about a mile away from here at a car repair factory. Railway facilities also targeted. Authorities saying one person was hospitalized with injuries. Now, Russia's defense ministry saying it destroyed tanks and other armored vehicles donated by Ukraine's allies on the outskirts of Kyiv. The city center had remained largely unscathed since Russia's invasion up until this point, Janae. Russian forces withdrew from the north back in early April, concentrating their efforts in the eastern Donbass region. The fierce fighting, meanwhile, continuing out east in the key city of Severodonetsk. Street battles there ongoing. Now, Ukraine claiming they've retaken part of the city, their last remaining holdout in the Luhansk region, but Russia countering that Ukraine is retreating from that area. Now, Kyiv hoping the latest $700 million package from the U.S. will help their counter-offensive, but Putin issuing a warning that the aid package that Moscow would hit new targets it hasn't yet struck. And clearly, the Kremlin sending a message of its anger at the supply of longer-range rocket launchers to Kyiv. Janae?
Absolutely, sending that warning. Thank you very much, Britt.
Well, hey there, GMA fans. Robin Roberts here. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Lots of great stuff here. So go on, click the subscribe button right over here to get more of awesome videos and content from GMA every day, anytime. We thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the morning on GMA.